Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel. Here's one of my newest dollies, Rune. And this mail is for her, so I thought I'd pull her out here. This is from Marna over at, and Darren, I should say. Marna and Darren from Dolls Rescue. She knew I was getting these dolls, and I mentioned that there were some issues about getting shoes. I have found some shoes, but there's also a, what do you call it? A pattern, 3D printable pattern available, and she was super sweet, reached out to me and offered to make them for my dollies. So, oh cool, there's two different pairs here, it looks like. Oh, a couple, oh, 3 pairs, oh my gosh. Holy cow, I hope they work as is. Let us know what colors you would like, want. Okay, cool, yeah, let us see. I mean, I know this isn't, what do you call it? It isn't perfection right away when it comes to 3D printing stuff. So I really appreciate that she was willing to, and Darren are both willing to kind of experiment for the purposes of my doll having shoes. All right, so we've got, let's try the white ones first. And here, let me show you them up close. So they're high heel type shoes. All right, because this doll has specific size feet. I think they're going to fit. You see? Yep. Oh, yeah. Okay. Curious if she'll be able... She stands now. Some shoes she can stand unassisted, like the ones that she comes with. So that's really cool. So I'm curious to see if this will be the case. Now I will say the artist that makes these dolls also sells finished shoes if you want to buy them. Let's see. Ooh, I don't know if this is going to fit. All right, let me play with it off camera a little bit. I'm at a weird angle. All right, everybody. Since I was changing her shoes, I thought, you know what? Let me throw a dress on her so we can have a better look at the shoes. And this dress surprisingly fits her pretty well. This is a Blythe pattern. The dress, I made this dress a while back when we had our virtual Blythe retreat, our very first one, and the theme was peace. It's a little roomy up at the top, but actually it fits her really, really well. And so do the shoes, man. Look at that. She's standing unassisted. Just took me a minute to sort of, you know, get her feet and her legs right, and she is standing no problemo. The black shoes fit her great. The red shoes fit her great. The white shoes, one does fit her, but the other one does not, and that's because if you see here, she definitely has a left and a right foot. A lot of doll shoes do not have that. They're basically the same foot. There's no difference between them, but because of the way she's designed, she has a definite left and right, and I think they just goofed up and sent me the same shoe so that one, they're basically a duplicate. But you know what? She has 2 new pair of shoes, and they fit her great. I am so happy. Definitely looking forward to styling her in some cool outfits. And my other Rune, I actually have 2 Rune dolls. If you haven't seen, I did an unboxing recently where I showed this doll. So I got, there's 2 different versions of this doll. I have them both now, and now they have more shoes for their very limited collection of shoes. But yeah, they're building a wardrobe, not too bad. Thank you so much, Darren and Marna over at Dolls Rescue. If you guys are not following them already, definitely check out their YouTube channel. They are super generous folks who constantly help support all of us in the dolly community. And she's very knowledgeable about dolls and has all types of dolls on her channel. So, yeah, shout out over there. Thank you so much. I'm so tickled. Look at that. Those look amazing on her. Woo, thank you guys so much. All right, guys, as usual, please give this a thumbs up. Please subscribe. That's a thumb. Please subscribe if you haven't already to my channel. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.